It's true that polishing always removes metal, but when it comes to a gold watch, losing too much metal can really hurt your pocket. In this video, we're going to find out just how painful that can be. Let's conduct a little experiment and put our scratched-up $40,000 Rolex Yachtmaster 2 to the test. To get the job done with the minimal amount of polishing possible, we used the best watchmaker we know, Chronosky. So let's take the watch apart and work some magic. These parts right here are not made out of gold, so we'll set them aside. These other parts contain gold but don't need to be polished. And let's not forget the case tube for the crown and the ones for the chronograph pushers. They won't need polishing either. Here's the bare bones case. As you can see, it has quite a few scratches on it. We'll certainly be removing those. The case back is scratched up too, so it also needs to be buffed up. And let's not even talk about the bracelet. It definitely needs some work. Time to weigh all the pieces that need to be polished. 6.775 ounces of 18 karat gold. Now this is where the fun begins. Oh no, wait! How much gold do you think our Rolex will lose when all is said and done? $50 worth of gold? $100? Maybe even more? Hold that thought for a moment and comment what your guess was at the end of the video. The process starts at our Angel 85 polishing bench. It uses an air suction and water filtration system to recover the gold dust the watch is about to lose. Now that the polishing is finished, it's time for a little ultrasonic cleansing and steam. Everything is now shiny and squeaky clean. Remember how the parts looked at the beginning of the video? Check out a side-by-side comparison of the case. And now the case back. And the bracelet. Pretty crazy, right? Do you think that a lot of gold was removed to make the parts look like this? Let's see. Remember that the weight before polishing was 6.775 ounces. This is the moment of truth. Almost there. And we have our final weight, 6.745 ounces. That's a difference of 0.03 ounces or around 0.85 grams, using a market price of about $59 a gram for 24 karat gold and multiplying it by 0.75, since 18 karat gold is only 75% pure gold, we come up with a total loss of around $37.63. Surprised? How close was your guess? In a previous video, we determined that this same Rolex model contained around 210.6 grams of 18-karat gold. This means that our watch lost approximately 0.4% of its weight in gold during polishing. 0.4% may sound kind of low, but this number could have easily been a lot higher if extreme care wouldn't have been taken to minimize the amount of polishing required given the initial condition of the watch. So the two important lessons you need to learn from all of this are: first, take care of your watch in order to minimize the amount of times you need to polish it. And second, if you do decide to polish your watch, seek the help of a highly skilled watchmaker who can, with a light polish, make your watch look brand new. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to click the thumbs up button below. Also, subscribe to our channel if you're a fan of content like this. See you next time.